Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Danish finishing oil. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit. 240 or 320 grit will also give good results. This piece has been mounted for refinishing. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use some methylated spirits, denatured alcohol, to clean the grain as much as possible. Opening the bottle. To open the bottle, locate the plastic ring in the cap, snap it open and pull up to reveal the spout. Twist open the red cap to reveal the plastic ring pull, sealing the spout. Carefully pull off the ring pull. Your bottle is now open. Step 3. Liberally apply some of the oil using a paper towel. This step can be done on or off the lathe. Allow this to soak in before wiping off any excess. Step 4. Leave 20 minutes between the first 2 coats and give at least 24 to 48 hours for the product to cure properly. Many coats can be added over several days and when fully cured can be buffed to a glossy shine. When finished using the product, wipe the neck of the spout and replace the red cap. Do not push the spout back inside. Step 5. Leave the application towels out to dry until the product is cured. Then dispose of them safely. When the oil is fully cured, the piece is finished and ready to use.